This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to bring you this special dedicated video for Wicked Witch. Now I got that gorgeous color from the Madam Glam PR, and I wanted to dedicate a very special video. So I have used Flirty, and I have set up this canvas for success. Flirty was a part of the Purity collection. It came with 4 stunning nudes. You guys have to check this out. If you guys go gaga for nudes, then you gotta go to madamglam.com and type in the Purity collection. Now I saw Flirty first from the beautiful Mama Does Nails. She made me fall in love with it. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, it is on my list. So right now, we are creating a gorgeous smile line, and this is my favorite way to do smile lines, starting with a line down the middle, I'm so sorry, a line down the middle, and then going from side to side. Now, of course, I like to work very neat, so I'm going in with Madam Glam's application brush to clean up those side walls before I continue with any of the magic. While I was doing the Madam Glam PR video, the moment that I swatched Wicked Witch, all I could think about was 3D crocodile print. I could not get it out of my head. No way, no how. I had to bring this to life. And as you artists know, when you've got a vision, it's like your soul does not feel complete until you get that vision out onto the canvas. So I am so tickled pink to be able to share this with y'all. This is a very beginner-friendly design, and honestly, this is completely up to your artistic taste. Now, I was envisioning TikTok. Now that is the wily crocodile out of Peter Pan's Neverland. So I wanted to make sure that my crocodile print was chunky monkey and she stood up and she was 3D. So you could feel all of the edges and the ribbing to the gorgeous crocodile pattern. So you can choose to either coat your canvas in a glossy or matte coat, top coat, before you do the final design, because with this embossing you cannot top coat it, so that will ruin the effect. So it's very important to make sure that you start off with that either a top coat or a matte. So going in with the same color, wet, I am creating the crocodile design. Now, as I said earlier, I wanted her to be chunky monkey, so I did make her a bit thicker, but if you do not want it to be as thick, you can go on thinner with the lines. It is completely up to you, but you want to make sure that you're very precise with your line work, because as you throw that the acrylic down, it's going to really only go where you've put your line work, so you want to make sure you're precise with your design. Now the fun part is no crocodile pattern is the same, so you can really have fun with this. You do not have to make it. You do not have to be a computer. You can play around and whatever feels right and looks good to you, that is what it's gonna be. So basically I am setting down the design completely wet, similar to how you would do with a sweater design. And before curing, so do not cure this, get yourself out clear acrylic. I like to pour it into the cap and then just gently pour it onto the nail. And I am a sucker for this method. The first person to ever show me this was Mama Does Nails, and I was shook. I was like, I did not know you could emboss. I thought that was a special gel. She's like, baby girl, no, let me show you. Let me show you the way. And then, of course, the beautiful Envy sister, thank you so much for walking me through the sweater design and how that works. And with the 2 beautiful teachings I got from my sisters, I was able to actually do this design effortlessly. Now, it's very important to have a strong brush, and you gotta keep on brushing, because that acrylic goes everywhere. It is so fine. So, and it can almost kind of change the color, like it looks like there's like a shimmer to it. So you have to keep on dusting until you've got it completely off. But then you've got this gorgeous pattern. So I'm going to repeat these steps just so that you can see how effortless and easy this is. And if anybody is inspired to do a croc design, please tag me. I would love to see it. I've even included, so please make sure you watch this to the end. There is a very funny video. I took my beautiful Jessie for a walk, and I was in such bad chronic pain that I knew I could not take her for a walk, come back inside, and then go back out to take pictures. So I actually took my hand, I took my practice hand outside, and we took her for a walk too. It wasn't just my Jessie. So in that funny clip, I'm going to leave that in the end. You're going to hear some heavy breathing. I promise you there is no stranger danger. That is my Jessica breathing quite loudly. My beautiful nail family, you know how you can kind of see it almost looks like a white dusting on the nails? That is still the acrylic. So once I'm completely finished, I will give it a more heavy dusting, if you will, to get all of the rest of the acrylic that's still sticking to the nail off. But luckily, only the places that was the wet gel paint or the polish is where it's going to cure. So you don't have to worry about it being in other parts of the design. That's also why I suggest using a no-wipe top coat or matte before you begin this design. Because I have tried it before and without, where it stuck to other places and it just was not nice. So you want to make sure it's as clean as possible. So it is rare for me to work with acrylic due to my allergy. So I got my N95 mask, my safety goggles, my gloves. I was being so hyper vigilant as to not have a reaction. But there is nothing that compares to the way acrylic embosses. Now, you do not even have to do a crocodile pattern. You could do anything you want. As you guys see, very popular for summer. For winter time is the sweater nails. But I am absolutely obsessed with how effortless this embossing technique is. I also really enjoy sugaring. That is another thing that's so fun. But at least sugaring I can do without any fear of reaction. But this one I have to definitely be very careful. But it was so worth it for this design. I definitely felt that TikTok energy, and that is TICK. TOCK, like the TikTok, not the little ticky-tacky that's for the videos. I was just so inspired by that croc, the one that got Captain Hook's hand, right? So I couldn't resist, and I had to share this 3D tutorial, y'all, for Croc Print. It is so easy and so satisfying. There's something about it that's giving me 90s vibes. I don't know. I'm just living for it, and I know that my mom is going to ask for this specific design. In a moment, we are going to go out to the beautiful streets and get that gorgeous sunshine so you can see these nails in their natural habitat. Oh, I just can't get over how darling they turned out. If you guys liked this design, please comment down below. If you guys have any suggestions of hacks you want me to try or different ideas, please let me know. I'm always looking for fun and different things to do, so I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you guys have any suggestions, I love you, my nail family, with my entire heart. I hope this video found you so very well, and I'm going to be quiet because we're about to get to that video I was telling you, and you got to hear. You got to listen to all the glory.
Wild jungles. I think I spot a crocodile. Oh, wild Madam Glam crocodile. I'm so glad I caught her in her natural habitat.
I could not resist, y'all. I had to share that. I'm so sorry for Jesse's heavy breathing, but that was so hilarious. I just had to share it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this design as much as I did making it. I had so much fun. There is magic in creation. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Mwah. And remember, this is Wicked Witch. So if you guys would like this polish, all the information will be in the description box below. And as I always say, do all things with love and have a beautiful day. Mwah.